Knives are cool. And axes too.
Hello again, everybody. I'm Robert Breaker, aka Knives Are Cool and Axes 2 channel. And I got a book about collector knives at a garage sale, which is kind of cool. So now I can look up the knives, but unfortunately the index is like a couple of pages. So it's hours of looking through trying to find a knife. And I haven't found this one that I got in this. So maybe I'm hoping somebody can tell me what I got. So I go to a garage sale. Old man, he shows me everything in the world. He moved down here, I think he said from Georgia, and he's just selling stuff, and his prices were so high. And finally I found two knives, and I said, well, how much for these? And he wanted $20 a piece for them. I'm like, I can't. So I got them down a little bit more for these two knives, and I can't wait to see what I got. I just want to share that with you. This was a fun garage sale find. And which one should we do first? Well, let's do this one first. It's a CRKT, I believe that's Columbia River Knife Technologies or Colorado River Knife. I forget what the name of it is, but it's a CRKT, and that thing is feels spring loaded. Yeah, it's spring loaded, but it is so hard to get out. And it's a little weird because I've not seen one like that before. You don't just push it out that way. If you do, it won't go. You have to push down on the button and then out. So that's kind of a new one to me. CRKT. Let's see, does it say on the back? Yeah, it says what it is on the back. But do you see the little button there? You have to literally push that button down. Let's see if I can show that action. You have to push the button down to move the blade down and then push it out. So that is just so weird. It's got to do that number and then out. And it's a CRKT, and then we turn it over. Incendor by K.A. Stegvolt or something like that. So it's a cool little pocket knife, but I'm not feeling it. I don't like that little having to push in and then push out. But I guess for safety reasons, that's okay, because you don't just want to have it accidentally go off in your pocket. And it takes some getting used to. You push in and then push out. So that's a cool little knife. We'll put that over here. This is the one that I thought was so cool. This is probably a collector's item. I don't know. And the words are so small that I'm getting older, I can't quite read it. But I'm going to show you this one, this little pocket knife. I saw that and I thought, that's kind of cool. Now, hopefully some of you older men can tell me what this is, because a lot of younger folks don't collect pocket knives. But let's open this blade out. And it says, one-arm pill buster. What does that mean? One-arm pill buster. Is that for cutting pills? Can it zoom in and read who's the maker of this? What does that say? I want to say it says Parker something. Can you read it? Back it up slowly till it focuses. There we go. Did it focus? Can you read it? What's it say?
I don't know.
Parker something. Parker something. Okay, so it says Parker something. It's a thing. I see surgical steel here on the bottom. One-arm pill buster. What does that mean? Is this saying you just use one arm to open and close it? Well, how does that work? I'm kind of scared to use to one arm without cutting myself. What is this for? Is that somehow like using your pocket to open it? Is that the idea behind that? Educate us, please, if you know. What's that for? That feels like a finger hold. So is that what that's for? But when you put it in here, it doesn't work. It only works when it's, I don't know what that's about, unless that's supposed to catch on here. And it does work like that. What's the other blade? Well, let's find out. Here's the other blade. And it's just your standard little blade. And oh, this is so new. I hate getting my fingerprints on it. It's a beautiful knife. But have you ever seen a one-arm pill buster before? And what's the pill buster? Now, there are some made by Case that are sod busters. But what is a one-arm pill buster? So I'm hoping that someone will know what this is about. And I tried to find it in here, and I just couldn't figure it out. I couldn't even find Parker. Maybe it's in here, maybe I didn't look hard enough. But those are my two garage sale finds this week, and I'm hoping somebody will. Here it says Parker Knives, $4.57. Let's see, maybe we're gonna find it together. We'll see. $4.57. So much for that. I'm gonna keep looking. We're still under Parker. A one-armed pill buster. There it is right there, one-armed pill buster. Wow. Okay, so it's in the book. I'm glad I got this book. I think I paid $1/4 for this book at a garage sale. So there's your one-armed pill buster right there. And it says mother of pearl. No, that's not what we got. I don't know what this is. It looks like some sort of wood almost, but there's the values. So I think I did pretty good. And this book is like from, when is this book written? This book is from 1987. So I think the value is considerably a lot more than that right now. So I paid the 1980s price, I guess, getting it for about $15, $16, $17, somewhere in there. But that was kind of cool to find this book and be able to now to look them up and see more about them. So do you have any idea what that means? One-armed filibuster. I want to call it filibuster. One-armed pill buster. And boy, it's sharp. I already draw blood with it, didn't I? Well, got blood on my shirt. Well, this is a channel about knives, so you're gonna cut yourself from time to time. Okay, so come on in on this, and it should be called the one finger cutter, because I got a little cut right there. But I like these two knives. That was a good find as far as I'm concerned, and that's what is fun about garage selling. You never know what you're gonna get. And I can't wait to hear. There might be some guy leaving a comment. When I was a kid, I had one of those or something like that. So that's what this channel's about, hearing from you as well. We'd like to know what you think, and would love to hear more. If you like this knife, if you like the little push button here, let us know. Do you carry one of these? I always get a kick out of people go, hey, I carry that kind of knife. And also, what do you know about it that we don't? Because we want to know more. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, and hopefully I'll have some more garage sale finds. God bless you. Make sure you look up my other channel, Robert Breaker channel, for a new sermon every week in English and Spanish, and the new channel about black powder muzzle loading. Black powder muzzle loader is the name. All right, God bless you. See you all next time. Bye-bye.
Knives are cool. And axes too.